to our weekly revelations that we have had, so we are going to go to our website. And again, all of this are on the website, so you don't have to write anything and just sit down and praise God and listen. And let me see here. There we go. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so again, I have the 19th happy prime and odd composites. The 19th happy prime is 379. 379th odd composite is 1135. And chapter 113 has 5 verses. Okay, and so 379th lonely Gaussian prime is 9127. Again, pointing to the fact that 9 has 127 verses, but this is in combination with the fact that 113 has 5 verses. Can you imagine the connection here? Through this number 379. Okay, 4 bullets here. 1135 is the 331st semi-prime, and the 19th super prime is 331. So 331st revealed verse in the last is the last in the compiled Quran, which is 114.6. Okay. 331st non-Chen prime is 5683. 5863 is the 748th prime, but 748th lonely prime is 9127. 249th lonely composite is, lonely Gaussian prime is 5683. So 195th composite is 249. 195 is the 19th Sphenic number. 195 is the numerical value of the initial Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ain, Sad in chapter 19. 249th Non-Chen Prime is 4253. Chapter 42 has 53 verses. 4253 is the exponent of the 19th Mersenne Prime. Can you imagine all of this put together? So, see, I don't have underline on this because these are the old findings. But look how it connects it to these other things in the mathematics. It tells you where all of these are supposed to be. How many verses these other surahs are supposed to have. Okay? And accordingly, what's going to happen is that they all point to the fact that 9 is supposed to have 127 verses. So you get to the point that, what else do we need? Okay. Do you think that we're going to somehow succeed by defending those 2 verses? Remember, I just said that the stuff that's brand new now needs to be used for good stuff, not bad stuff, not defending lies, not defending something that you cannot prove. And here is the proof. We have the proof right here in front of us. Okay. You know, if I want to go through this, if I want to go through 379, okay, 379. You know, 379 is it's amazing because 3 is the third prime is 5, the 7th prime is 17, the 9th prime is 23. Okay, 23 times 17 is 391. 391 times 5 is 1955. 1955 is a composites index is 1657. But 1657 in base 19 is equal to 9127 in base 10. Again, points to that fact. 1657 happens to be an additive prime, and its index is 139, which is the 19th additive prime. 139 is the number of letters in the Surah Al-Fatih. Okay. So can you imagine that I just said all of those because I just looked at this 19th happy prime? And all these parameters of the Quran come out? Can you imagine that? What kind of proof do we need to gravitate towards this truth? As I said, do we expect to be successful and happy and have a nice life by hiding the truth? By ignoring the truth? Somehow it's going to go away? Somebody, this fact that I just told you is going to go away? That the third prime is 5 and the seventh prime is 17 and the ninth prime is 23? And 17 times 23 is 391 and 391 times 5 is 1955. That mathematics is going to go away somehow? It's not. It's going to be there. Okay? It is amazing. As I said, the opportunity that God has given us over and over and over again, we are squandering this and we are completely ignoring the truth and the facts. This is not a recipe for success. This is a recipe for disaster. And, you know, and as I said, it's a beautiful thing that God has given us. And we are eternally grateful to Him. And every time we look at this, there's another window is opening to paradise. The place that you're going to spend eternity at God's sight. Okay? Can you imagine that? I mean, there is nothing more honorable and more, that you cannot be more happy than that kind of existence for eternity. Okay? That's the beauty of it, and inshallah that we are going to make it. And so I'm going to stop here and we'll finish our Jum'ah. Allahu Kabir.